Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer home videos with YouTube, full guide step by step clearly. To transfer home videos to YouTube, start by ensuring you have a YouTube account. Open your preferred web browser and go to the YouTube website. Log into your YouTube account using your credentials. Once logged in, look for the camera icon located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the camera icon, which will prompt a drop-down menu. Select the Upload Video option from the menu. You will be directed to a new page where you can upload your video. Click on the Select Files button to choose the video file from your device. Browse your computer's files to locate the home video you want to upload. Select the video and click the Open button to begin the upload process. While the video is uploading, fill in the required details on the right side of the screen. Enter a catchy title that reflects the content of your video. Add a detailed description to inform viewers about the video content. You can also add relevant tags to help people find your video more easily. Next, choose a thumbnail that represents your video well. You can use one of the suggested thumbnails or upload your own custom image. Set the visibility of your video by selecting from options like public, unlisted, or private. After setting visibility, click on the Next button at the bottom of the page. On the next screen, you can add video elements like cards and end screens if desired. Continue to the next step by clicking the Next button again. Review your settings to ensure everything is correct. Finally, click the Publish button to finish uploading your home video to YouTube. Once published, your video will be available for viewers based on the visibility settings you chose. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.